Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be answering you guys' frequently asked questions about me as an Indian YouTuber. So these are questions I get a lot either in YouTube comments or personal messages, and today I thought that it would be a good idea to just go over all these questions and talk about it. Before we get into the questions, for those of you who don't know, my name is Ram Thakkar and I live in Mumbai, India. The first and most common question I get is how are you sponsored by SpeedCubeShop despite living in India? The answer is SpeedCubeShop sponsors people all over the world. Sure, their sponsorship requirements might be a little bit stricter for international applications. However, if you do make quality videos and grow your channel to a decent extent, there is absolutely no reason for SCS to not consider you. It can work out even better if you write a really good application, and I have an entire video about my best tips to get sponsored which I'll link in the description below. You can go and have a look. To be very honest, SpeedCubeShop doesn't even consider your application based on the numbers alone. They look at the future growth potential. I was barely averaging 700 to 800 views per video when I got sponsored by SCS, and now I'm at around 1.2k, which is still far from 2000 views per video. However, I'm getting there eventually. So if you work hard enough, there is no doubt you'll get sponsored by your dream store, whatever it is. The second question is, can you buy from SpeedCubeShop in India? The answer is yes, SpeedCubeShop ships all over the world. The third question is the ad revenue in India lower for cubing videos? I won't get too much into the specifics. However, yes, India has much lower ad rates than other countries. For example, people living in Singapore and Europe would earn at least 4 to 5 times more than I would for the same amount of views. So yeah, I guess that's how it is. The next question is, how old am I and what board and grade do I study in? I'm 17 years old, I'm in the 12th grade and I study in the IB board, which is known to be one of the hardest boards in the world. This goes right into the next question. How do you get so much time to make videos even though education is so hard here? Just 2 words: time management. People really underestimate how much of your time social medias like Instagram can take away. After school, I tend to have extra classes and I only really get free by about 6 p.m. But between 6 p.m. and 2 a.m., I only use the time for studying, editing and filming videos. As for weekends, I honestly feel like I take them too relaxed. Even I need to manage my time better on weekends. I do study on weekends of course, but honestly I feel like I should be doing quite a bit more. But yeah, I also use the weekend for filming and editing, and I spend more time than average on social media. The next question is, how do you have your own room in like an Indian house? The answer is I don't. I share a room with my sister, however she's really accommodating, so it's great. But for weekdays, the rule is I cannot film after 11 p.m. because my sister needs to sleep. Therefore, I tend to use that time for quiet studying and editing. And here's the final question. How is your English so fluent? So my entire family is basically from Gujarat. However, my parents have been brought up in Mumbai and they even had me here. So in our household, we mainly communicate in Gujarati and English, so I've just gotten used to the English over time. So that's about it for these frequently asked questions. If you had a question that didn't get answered, feel free to leave it in the comments down below and I will try my best to reply. If you guys are really interested in how I manage my time, I could make a vlog sort of video basically going over a day in my life. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see something like that. So that's about it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something about me. Goodbye.